Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and this is part 2 of cleaning up this artwork. I made this video right before I left to run to town, and on the way home I started thinking, why wouldn't this work another way? And so I've already, if you didn't watch the first one, I've already traced it, I've already ungrouped it, and I'm going to just take away the white background in the back, but when you take away this, you get this. It takes away that. So I started thinking, why can't you, because that's evidently on top of the layer, and in the other video I actually deleted it and hairlined it and refilled it in, and you could watch that one too if you have not, because it would help you in maybe another case. But I started thinking that back minus front or front minus back might work. So I'm going to take the pick tool and I'm going to select my clip art, and I'm going to go right here to back minus front. And voila, there's a transparent, perfect clip art, and the yellow box shows you that you can see right through it. That was a lot easier than moving around and color filling, and that might not always work on every clip art. Let's try the opposite of front minus back and see it deleted everything. So you've got to kind of play around with that. That's what's nice about the undo tool. You can try different scenarios, like welding wouldn't work, other things, but back minus front is taking the front and just deleting it and leaving your outline. It's kind of complicated sometimes to figure out what it's actually doing, but I was thinking about it as I was driving home. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.